Good morning and welcome back to Coffee and Makeup with Crystal. Cheers. Let's get started. Okay, so today we have a Colourpop birthday box. I have already done my base completely with foundation. I know I normally do my eyeshadow first, but I took a peek in the box to see what was in there first, and we're going to work with everything that's in there. So let's see what goodies we have. So these are all the goodies that come in it. Woo, almost lost some. We're gonna start with the Baby Got Peach eyeshadow palette. It's so funny because I almost bought this the other day, and then I was like, you know what, let me get the birthday box. I haven't bought Colourpop in a while, and let's see what they give me. So we got this beautiful palette. I am going to go into this top left. It's Darlin'. Now, I really love these types of colors, these peachy colors, neutral colors. I love color in general, bright colors, but if I'm looking for something that's going to go with my eye color, this is it. If you look at the color wheel, and whatever is opposite of your color is what best will complement you. Now I'm going to go into this top right color, which is called Perky. Now we're going to go in with Centerfold. And then this top shade is a glitter, I believe. We're going to take that on our finger. Yes, it's a glitter. Because you guys know I always like a little sparkle. And now I'm going to smudge this half-baked shade down here on the bottom. Okay, so this is our first product. Let's see what else we have. We have a liquid blush and a powdered blush. This is the Forever Yours Press Powder Blush, and it looks like that. And then we have the liquid blush. This is in the color Thanks, THX, and it looks like that. I'm going to go in with the liquid blush. It came with 2 Super Shock shadows, one in the color Drift, another in the color Moon Daisy. It came with a chrome cream gel eyeliner. I have these, so this one will probably go to my daughter. They're super pretty gel eyeliners. I'm a big fan of the Colourpop gel eyeliners. Then we have a shadow stick, and this is in the color So Celestial Metallic. We have a lippy pencil. This is in the color Chain Reaction, and I'm actually going to use this today. Then we have a Fresh Kiss Glossy Lip Balm in Vanilla Cake. We have an Ultra Glossy Lip, and this is in the color It Girl. It's pearlized. It looks like that. And then the final product is their So Juicy Plumping Glossing Lip. And this is in the color Beverly Drive. Come on. And it looks like that. So let's finish with some of the products that we have. I'm going to do the lip, and then I'm also going to do the lip gloss, and then I'll finish the rest of my face. I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. This is in the color Ash Brown. And I'm just going to do my eyebrows real quick. And then I'm going to touch up my mistakes. Okay, let's curl our lashes and apply mascara. This is the Prada Scope Mascara. I am truly loving this right now. Okay, now let's get into the details. So it came with two $7 Super Sock shadows in Drift and in Moon Daisy. It came with a $12 pressed powder blush in Forever Yours. It came with a $10 So Juicy Plumping Gloss in Beverly Drive, $14 Baby Got Peach eyeshadow palette, $10 Weightless Liquid Blush in Thanks, $10 Fresh Kiss Glossy Balm in Vanilla Cake, a $9 Chrome Cream Gel Liner in Wild Idea, a $9 Ultra Glossy Lip in It Girl Pearlized, an $8 Shadow Stick in So Celestial, and a $7 Lippy Pencil in Chain Reaction. This totals to $103. Don't know if you can see that. $103 total. You paid $49 before tax. So, you know, it's a good savings of $54 before tax. As long as you're not one who goes and shops on Colourpop every day, you probably are getting some items that you haven't had before. So I think overall it's a great deal. And then let's get into this. If you like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, turn on those comments, and leave a comment. I am going to give away a $100 gift card to Sephora for reaching 100 subscribers. So make sure you like, make sure you're subscribed, and make sure you leave a comment saying enter me or great job and whatever it is, and you will be entered into the giveaway. Until next time, cheers.